Hello, dear friends. I am Shay from LandPack in China. Today I will show you how to install the tail frame and install the tail frame chain. This is the tail frame of the machine, and we can find screws connecting the tail frame and tighten them to achieve the effect of installation. Secondly, this is the chain of the machine's tail frame, and pass the chain through the bearings on both sides. And then we find the chain buckle at the chain connection. Step 2. Use pointing nose pliers to connect and assemble to install the tail frame chain. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us through the website at the bottom right. Bye.